Looking for the best pressure washers under $200, but not sure which ones are actually worth your money? We tested and researched 12 models so you don't have to. In this video, you'll see exactly which ones pack real power, which are built to last, and which one is our top pick. Let's get into it. Folding pressure power washer kicks off our list with a head-turning claim: 4,500 pounds per square inch and 3.2 gallons per minute on a budget electric unit. It comes with multiple quick connect nozzles and a 20-foot hose, targeting cars, driveways, and patios. For a sub-$200 machine, those specs are hard to ignore. Now, we always say to take extreme PSI claims with a grain of salt on budget washers, but folding does position this as a heavy-duty home option. If you need something that sounds powerful and want to tackle big outdoor cleaning jobs without spending a fortune, this one is worth a look. A bold budget pick for DIYers chasing power. Number 2. Westinghouse EPX 3050 Electric Pressure Washer. The Westinghouse EPX 3050 is one of the most storage-friendly pressure washers on this entire list, thanks to its signature cube-style EPX design. It delivers 2,100 pounds per square inch and 1.76 gallons per minute with a 25-foot hose and 5 quick connect nozzles. It's also carb compliant, which matters if you're in California. What really stands out is how easy this machine is to store and carry around. You're not wrestling with a bulky unit. It's compact, lightweight, and genuinely hassle-free, perfect for apartment dwellers or anyone tight on garage space. Number 3. Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. Think of the Westinghouse EPX 3500 as the beefed-up sibling of the EPX 3500. Same smart compact footprint, but bumped up to 2,500 pounds per square inch. It keeps the 25-foot hose, 5 nozzle tips, and that slick anti-tipping design with onboard storage built right in. Carb compliant too, so it checks the eco box. If you liked the EPX 3500 but wanted just a little more cleaning muscle, this is your answer. The upgrade in pressure makes a noticeable difference on tougher grime without sacrificing any of that portability. The sweet spot between compact and capable. Number 4. Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer. The Craftsman Electric Pressure Washer brings serious brand credibility to this list, delivering between 1,700 and 2,100 pounds per square inch depending on the model you choose. It's got a 20-foot hose, 3 nozzle options, and one of the best warranty packages in this price range, a solid 3-year limited warranty. That kind of backing is rare under $200. Craftsman has been building trusted tools for decades, and this pressure washer carries that same reputation. It may not have the flashiest specs, but reliability and after-sales support are worth real money. The go-to choice if brand trust matters most to you. Coming in at number 5, the Keepeak cordless pressure washer is a totally different kind of machine. Running on a rechargeable lithium battery, it tops out around 900 PSY. Not for heavy-duty jobs, but that's not the point. It can pull water from a bucket, bottle, or hose, making it incredibly flexible wherever you are. This is the one to grab if you camp, live off-grid, or just need a quick rinse solution without hunting for an outlet. Think bike washes, patio furniture, or mud-covered boots. Keepeak handles all of that effortlessly. Best cordless option for light cleaning on the go. Number 6. Steelite Electric Pressure Washer. The Steelite Electric Pressure Washer is a newer name in the game, but its specs are turning heads fast. 3,000 pounds per square inch and 2.5 gallons per minute at a budget-friendly price point. It comes with a multi-tip nozzle system and a hose that stretches between 20 and 25 feet. For what you're paying, those numbers are genuinely impressive. Being a newer brand, it doesn't have the long track record of some others on this list, but early users are responding positively. If you want maximum power per dollar and don't mind trying something fresh, Steelite is worth considering. A high-value dark horse pick. Next up, the Leoter cordless pressure washer is all about freedom over force. Like the Keypeak, it runs on a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and hits around 900 psi. But Leoter sweetens the deal by including a foam cannon and spray wand right out of the box. It also works with a bucket or a standard hose connection. If you're someone who hates dealing with power cords and just wants a grab-and-go wash setup, Leoter delivers exactly that. The foam cannon edition makes it especially fun for car washing. Mobility first, great for quick everyday cleaning jobs. Number 8. Built Hard Pressure Washer. The Built Hard Pressure Washer hits that satisfying middle ground between raw power and everyday usability. You're looking at 3,000 pounds per square inch, 2.4 gallons per minute, a 25-foot hose, and 4 to 5 quick connect nozzle tips. A well-rounded package for the price. It's built to handle driveways, decks, and vehicle washing without breaking a sweat. What we like about Built Hard is that it doesn't try to oversell itself. The specs are solid and consistently backed up by user experience. It's the kind of workhorse machine that just gets the job done. A reliable mid-tier performer and one of the best overall values here. Number 9. Greenworks Electric Pressure Washer. The Greenworks Electric Pressure Washer brings together environmentally conscious engineering and dependable cleaning performance. Rated between 2,000 and 2,300 pounds per square inch with up to 1.76 gallons per minute, it comes with a 20 to 25-foot hose and carries both carb compliance and a 3-year limited warranty. Greenworks is an established name in the eco-friendly tool space. This is a great option for homeowners who want a proven brand, solid warranty coverage, and decent power, all in one tidy package. It won't wow you with extreme stats, but it earns its place through consistency. Top pick for eco-conscious buyers who want lasting reliability. Number 10. Ontel TurboJet Hydro X5 Pro Pressure Washer. Before we go further, the Ontel TurboJet Hydro X5 Pro is not a traditional pressure washer, and we want to be clear about that up front. It's a hose attachment tool that boosts your existing water pressure using multiple spray pattern modes and a metal build. It's a budget solution for light rinsing and surface cleaning. If you already have decent water pressure and just need something to direct and amplify it for quick jobs, the Hydro X5 Pro could save you some cash. Just don't expect deep cleaning power here. Best for super light tasks. A hose upgrade, not a pressure washer replacement. Number 11. Sunjoe Electric Pressure Power Washer. The Sunjoe SPX 3000 might be the most famous pressure washer under $200, and for good reason. It packs 2030 PSI, 1.76 GPM, 5 quick connect nozzles, a 20-foot hose, and a feature you rarely see at this price: dual detergent tanks for tackling different cleaning jobs. It's CSA approved and has tens of thousands of verified reviews online. This machine has stood the test of time as an absolute bestseller, and it's easy to see why. It delivers consistent real-world performance for cars, decks, patios, and more. If you want the most battle-tested pick on this list, SPX 3000 is it. Our top overall recommendation, a true crowd classic. Closing out our list is the Westinghouse EPX 3100V vise, a vertical compact design that bridges the gap between the EPX 3050 and EPX 3500. It delivers 2,300 pounds per square inch and 1.76 gallons per minute with a 25-foot hose and 5 quick connect nozzles. The upright build makes it easy to store and maneuver, which Westinghouse has really mastered with this entire lineup. If you're deciding between the Westinghouse models, the EPX 3100V is the balanced choice. Not the smallest, not the strongest, but a well-rounded machine that performs confidently across most home tasks. A polished all-rounder and a strong finishing pick. So there you have it. our full breakdown of the best pressure washers under $200. If we had to pick two standouts, it's the Sunjoe SPX 3000 for overall value and the Built Hard for raw performance. All affiliate links are in the description below. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which one are you going with? Drop it in the comments. See you in the next one.